This is not the only controversy as far as the opposition is concerned. The SIR, the Special Intensive Revision Exercise, has taken off across India and the politics continues to peak around it. The latest is that Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's also, this is also something that Mamata Banerjee has said primarily, linking the death of the BLOs to SIR, calling it a hasty exercise. The TMC, which held an internal review meeting today, also has been critical of SIR. All this comes amidst tension that erupted in Sandesh Khali after the BLO there was threatened allegedly by a man called Jamirul Islam Mullah, someone who the BJP calls an active TMC worker. The BJP has attacked both Rahul and Mamata, mocking Rahul Gandhi for his stunts after the Bihar rout and slamming Mamata for opposing SIR to shield illegals. In Tamil Nadu, TVK chief actor politician Vijay has moved the Supreme Court against the exercise, while in Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered temporary detention centers for infiltrators and 60 booth-level officers have been booked for alleged negligence in SIR duties.
देखिए, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी जो भी बोला है वो तो सबसे पहले ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस और हमारा नेत्री ममता बनर्जी बोला था। तो जब महाराष्ट्र में कांग्रेस का रिस्पांसिबिलिटी था ये वोट चोरी रोकने का, कांग्रेस फेल किया, दिल्ली में फेल किया, बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी उसको प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है। भाजपा का इलेक्शन कमीशन का ये जो पॉलिटिक्स चल रहा है और पूरा देश में ममता जी ही पहला लीडर जो ऐसे कंस्पिरेसी पर अंगुल उठाई थी।
एसआईआर का जरूरत है, एसआईआर होगा और ममता बनर्जी हारने वाली है।
Pallavi Ghosh is still standing by. Pallavi, this criticism of SIR, we heard this narrative in Bihar also, did not really, see any ground level agitation after the final voter list was published by the Election Commission. A similar thing is being played out in West Bengal. Congress also throwing its weight. We are hearing Jharkhand's minister saying, lock the BLO, don't allow them to really go ahead and do their exercise. Even after the Supreme Court has in a way put its stamp of approval on Election Commission's initiative, what are these opposition parties aiming to achieve?
Well, Anurima, I think we have to understand Rahul Gandhi's politics. He's questioning all institutions, even questioning his defeat. So there are two things over here. First of all, on 14 December is going to be the big rally called by the Congress, and obviously Rahul Gandhi is going to be speaking there. And there they are going to be talking about the SIR exercise and the vote chori in the 12 states where the SIR has been ordered. That is going to be his clarion cry against the entire idea of this SIR and how systematically the BLOs are also dying under pressure, and that it's such a cumbersome process of going through the forms that people will give up even looking for their names. And to quote Rahul Gandhi, they're going to get so tired that the right voters will never get the right to vote. That's the narrative he's trying to push. In close quarters, Rahul Gandhi is convinced, and he said this to his party, I don't care about the wins and losses. I firmly believe that there is vote chori. So be it. So this is going to be their narrative, which they're going to keep on pushing as an explanation. But if you look at it from the political point of view, he also has much to deal with. I mean, there are Congress leaders who have openly or behind closed doors begun to question the repeated loss of the Congress party. Now, Rahul Gandhi is not going to take that blame on himself. The blame has been shifted to the BJP, to the Election Commission, to Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, and that is perhaps one way of escaping this entire tag of, a consistent loser as far as state and central elections are concerned.
Well, Pallavi, thank you so much. Like Pallavi was saying, Rahul Gandhi in closed-door meeting says he doesn't care about electoral losses. Is the Congress party then moving away from being a political party to becoming more like an NGO? We'll have to wait and see. Hoping Kamalika will also join us in a bit, but there are multiple reactions coming in to the SIR developments. Let's listen in.
बिहार में 65 लाख रुपये हमारा वोट को काट दिया। 65 लाख का मतलब होता है 80 विधानसभा छीन लिया हमसे। आपको वोट देने का अधिकार ही नहीं रखा, आपकी नागरिकता छीन लिया, आपको पहचान छीन लिया, आपको घुसपैठिया बना दिया इन लोगों ने। कोई हक समाज में आपको कोई हक नहीं मिलेगा। और अब बंगाल में SIR लागू कर रहा है और उसके बाद झारखंड में करेगा। मैं आप सबको कहना चाहता हूं, एकदम अगर कोई नाम आपका काटने के लिए आए अगर कोई आपका नाम अगर पूछने के लिए आए, वैसे पदाधिकारी को एकदम गेट पे बंद कर दीजिएगा, ताला मार दीजिएगा, मैं खोलूंगा। किसी कीमत पर मैं बता दे रहा हूं आपको, अपना नाम नहीं काटने दीजिएगा।
Kamalika is tracking all that is happening in West Bengal as far as SIR is concerned. Joining me on the broadcast, Kamalika, you did report from the Indo-Bangladesh border that there are some people who are allegedly of Bangladeshi origin going back or wanting to go back ever since SIR started. But what is the number that we are looking at? Both BJP and TMC have hardened their stance, but on ground, what is the feedback that you are gathering as far as SIR is concerned?
See, there are some people who have gone back, there are some people who are trying to go back, but the percentage is not what the percentage is there generally in the entire Bengal. That's what the ground feel that I can tell you. Because if we see that the amount of population that has increased and there are a lot of factors, if it is added to it, then it will be seen that just, Hakimpur post is a very, very small fraction of the entire thing that is happening. Just now I spoke to one of the general secretaries of the BLO Oiko Moncho, Vote Moncho. They are also the organization of BLOs. That's not TMC backed. TMC backed BLO organizations are doing rally today in Calcutta. They are saying that since these people who are outsiders or people who are controversial, who does not have lot of people, generally a lot of people's named who are Indians, their names not in 2002, they have their own documents. They'll go and show it to Euro and they will have no problem. That's the system. But here what happens is that the person with the questionable suspicion activities are there in their entire credibility of the voting thing, they are linking themselves with same title of other person who is a senior citizen. So suppose, so in this way, one person is becoming father of 10 persons. So if I don't have a linkage and I am a controversial voter, I am looking for people of the same title which I am having and I am telling that he is my father. So this is a problem which the BLOs are facing on ground in the bordering district that he told us.
Okay.
And this is happening in Uttar Dinajpur, Malda, Murshidabad. And the BLOs from there, they have imported to the BLOs who are here.
Right.
They have given a memorandum to the EC.
Right.
EC have assured them that through AI they will look into the matter. So it is a matter of, it's not that only Hakimpur people going back that might solve the problem on ground of infiltration. See, from the left time the infiltration are there and the Bangladeshi people are there. That's the common saying.
Right.
Now how much? That we have to actually see after SIR.
Right. So, attempt is being made to create a new family tree. That's what Kamalika is reporting from the ground. It's a tough one for Election Commission, if this indeed is happening, to ensure that SIR actually meets the purpose for which the exercise is being unrolled in 12 states of the country. Slipping into a very quick break, but stay with us. On the other side, much more coming up.